Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing a network printer on your Windows XP computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu. On the right side, you want to select Printers and Faxes, and then on the left side, again, select underneath Printer Task, Add a Printer. It says welcome to the Add Printer Wizard. Select Next. Select a network printer or a printer attached to another computer. Make sure that printer is turned on and connected to your Wi-Fi settings in your house. So if there are settings in the printer itself, you may have to configure it first and then come in here and then proceed with Next. And then you could go ahead and try and browse for the printer, or you can go search for the printer if it's already connected to your network or have an internet location here, and then you would select Next again. Then you would see if anything was detected or shared printers on your network. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Again, make sure that printer is connected to your network settings. And you may also want to consider downloading any applicable printer driver software packages from the printer manufacturer, like Dell, Epson, Canon, HP, Brother, so forth. And if there are any available drivers or printer software packages, go ahead and follow that wizard instead. But this is just a general tutorial about how to set up a network printer using the built-in features in Windows XP. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.